It's finally that time of year where everything pumpkin is out. I love pumpkins so much and I have to try it all. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This is our milkshakes. This is our blizzards from Dairy Queen. Pumpkin, is it pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, or pumpkin pie blizzard. Look how good it looks. I got a small, he got the medium. He's got his game playing. We're going to do a taste test. What do you think? Pretty good? Okay, let's see.
You're invited to Super Bowl 54 in beautiful Miami for a once-in-a-lifetime football
really good.
From
really good.
The official hospitality partner of the NFL. You'll meet NFL alumni, enjoy hotels and travel. Let NFL on location plan your ultimate Super Bowl
But this is definitely better than, we already had the pumpkin pie from Dairy Queen a couple nights ago. And now we are having it again. But the other night when we got it, it was really messy. I'm going to insert a picture here. It was real messy. And we didn't even get whipped cream, did we? Oh my goodness. They didn't even put whipped cream in it. So it was $8 for a small and a medium. And it's really, it just looks so good.
For the best fans in the jungle. That's Fifth Third Bank, and that's the drive to better. Visit 53.com